Quality control is a crucial function in any manufacturing firm. Water content analysis and management can significantly determine the output's quality and physical properties. All companies in the manufacturing industry should consider upgrading their water content management systems to ensure superior quality in all production stages. Manufacturing ERPs, like GoldFinch, provide a practical approach to simplify water content management in your firm. The ERP analyzes your processing formula and ensures all active ingredients are the correct proportions. Stay tuned to learn how Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, makes water content control more manageable and accurate. Water is an element in almost all aspects of our lives, from our bodies to the food we consume. Manufacturing companies find it crucial to measure the water content of all products to maintain quality and other physical characteristics. Measuring and analyzing the water content in substances allows you to adjust your manufacturing process, ensuring all products meet current regulations and guidelines. It would help to note that water content dictates most products' stability and shelf life. In food production, for example, it significantly impacts a product's susceptibility to enzymatic, chemical, and microbial activity. The complexity of water molecules and their solid intermolecular bonding makes it challenging to measure the amount of water in substances. You can identify water content by referring to its moisture content, which is the water mass per unit of dry material. Using an ERP makes it much more manageable to analyze and control the water content in your manufacturing process. A substance's excess or insufficient water content will negatively impact its physical properties. Water and moisture are crucial in the product structure as it determines elements like weight, homologation, thermal expansion, and electric conductivity. In the manufacturing process, the presence of moisture is unavoidable. All your team can do is deploy effective measures to analyze and control its content levels. It's also important that your company understands and maintains the correct water content of materials to guarantee quality output. In pharmaceuticals, as another example, moisture and water content can affect a compound's texture and binding properties. Powdery products must have the right amount of water in their structure to prevent them from clumping or mixing inconsistently. A tablet with inadequate water content will crumble into dust a lot more easily. Many ERP solutions offer comprehensive coverage of all company functions, including manufacturing. It helps store all process and recipe information while ensuring the final product meets your expectations. Here are some of the benefits of integrating an ERP into your manufacturing process. The manufacturing process requires smooth functioning in all stages to guarantee higher production and collaboration. Implementing an ERP helps string your processes to connect better with your employees. You risk chaos and disaster if you lack a collaborative and efficient team handling your manufacturing functions. Traceability is another vital element all manufacturing companies should observe. An ERP helps with keeping track of every area of your operation, accessible by providing a comprehensive dashboard to interpret the data. You can monitor and optimize all processes and procedures a lot more efficiently. Water content is among the manufacturing components your ERP will help monitor and analyze. Your system will hold all the information of the manufacturing process, including specific quantities of each active ingredient. Using these specifications, an ERP can ensure the final product has the correct water content level, among other elements. Implementing the ideal ERP allows you to analyze every piece of information and statistic important to your process. It also supports high functionality and alerts before batch expiration and provides you real-time inventory. Automating your systems makes your operations more flexible and dynamic. Manufacturing companies must develop the ability to quickly and easily alter chemical formulas. Configuring such a system will require your team to reflect on the current processes in real time and identify potential discrepancies. Implementing an ERP will help identify any miscalculations in your formulas, while providing helpful insights to find a solution. The ERP solution also contributes to better synchronization, fewer mistakes, and time savings by providing access to real-time information. Data management is also important to running any business, regardless of the size. It is essential for future analytics and can enhance decision-making by providing easy access to records stored electronically. You'll solve several issues in your manufacturing process by implementing an ERP. These problems include lost paper records, file overhead, and incorrect formula ingredient measurements. Improved electronic administration is among the main reasons ERP deployment in manufacturing firms is considered quite easy. It's no surprise, GoldFinch is among the most efficient ERPs with features ideal for manufacturing. It is also a worthy prospect to help with your water content management needs, especially in manufacturing. It helps optimize the formulas and promotes the accurate execution of all involved processes. The recording and reporting features provided by GoldFinch ERP are one of the reasons for its popularity. The system allows the automatic recording of all transactions and processes, which helps create valuable and insightful reports for straightforward analysis. It also uses the data stored in the company database to ensure the executed formulas use the correct ingredients at the specified quantities. If, say, alcohol concentration exceeds a certain percentage, the system can automatically neutralize it accordingly. Integrate GoldFinch ERP to improve your manufacturing processes and increase customer satisfaction. It'll help identify the correct liquid percentages in your formula while making the formulation much easier. It would be wise to understand that water content level in any substance affects its quality and structural configuration. To achieve the perfect output, your manufacturing process must find the ideal quantities of the different liquids included in the formula. As you can see, you need to implement ERP into your manufacturing company and allow those benefits to advance your processes. It's time to get started. So try GoldFinch ERP today and unlock your manufacturing company's true potential.